Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rachel, of course. So today I have a haul for you guys. I feel like I haven't done anything fashion related in a long time. Of course, you guys know the time of the year right now, it's like where everybody is having their semi-annual sales and stuff like that. So I'm gonna just get right into it. The first place I went to, not where I went to, but just where I'm gonna show you guys, is AERIE. So I got this bag from AERIE. It just says AERIE and then the other side said AERIE Real. I got their undies, their panties, when they were having their 10 for 35 sale. I think right now they're doing their 7 for 28, which is better than Victoria's Secret, by the way. And I got like 10 undies. Bam! Actually, this is not even all of it because I'm wearing one, and I think I wore one yesterday. I'm not gonna show you all of them because some of them are the same like style, just different color. This one's pretty. So I got like 4 of these in the same style. But yeah, it's really cute. It has lace and then it has like a little scrunch on the back of it. And it's just really cute. It's just your standard panty. And then I got this one. Yeah, there you go. So not washed out. Really cute. Some of them I didn't even take the tag off yet, so I haven't worn them. This one is one of my favorites. It has like this, it has like so you can show like a little skin. And it has like little buckles, not really buckles, I don't know how to explain it, but yeah. And it just has some like lace fringe detailing on the leg part. Yeah, I got 2 of them, like with the thick band, which I really like. It's not focusing, but it's okay. Yeah. And then the rest are like the same style. And then I got this one. This one's different. This one is, oh shoot. This one is a lace detailing. All of it is lace and a little see-through. So that's the back. This is the front. Very pretty. Yeah, I like the detailing of this. It's really, really pretty. Yep. And then I got the AERIE bag. If I got a face mask, I don't really need to show you guys the face mask. But if you did like a $40 purchase, then you get like a free bag. And so they gave me this bag, which is kind of like a beach bag, I guess you can say. It's like water resistant because it's like that tarp feeling. I guess that's how you describe it. So I went to AERIE again. Yeah, I went to AERIE again recently, and I got this jacket slash sweater thing. I love the color. It's like kind of like my wedding color. It's kind of like a dusty, rosy kind of color. But yeah, it has a hood, and it's just like your standard like like jacket, you know, for the fall time. It was just really cute, and I got this for $15. Excuse me, which is not terrible. And I was like, you know, I kind of do need a new one anyway, so I'm just gonna get it. And so I just got it, and it's really cute. And then I went to Victoria's Secret, and I got 2 bras for a hecka good deal. So I got 2 bras, one in this pink color. It's really nice. I want to focus on the color. Yeah, it's just like this really baby pink color. And then it's the one with the wire but no padding, which I really like. And they're so soft. They're so soft too. And then I got one in like a darker pink color. It's a little bit more nude, a little more of a nude color, but it's really nice too. So yeah, this one and this one, very nice. And the original price of these is $36.50. Oh, and if you guys are wondering what kind of bra it is, it's the Body by Victoria Unline Plunge. Yeah, but the original price is well, this one's $36.50 and this one's $38.50. Kind of weird. But yeah, and then they were priced down to $9.99. So when my friend and I, because she bought 3 of these, when my friend and I went up there, they actually had them for $6.99, so $7. And I was like, wow, that's really good for like Victoria's Secret bras. And so yeah, ow, poke myself in the eye. Okay, so I went to Victoria's Secret, and they, you know, they're kind of having like their semi-annual sale. They don't call it that, but they're having like a big old sale. And so I already put this on a hanger and I didn't want to take it off of the hanger, but I got this dress. It's just black and it's off shoulder. Let me show y'all. So yeah, they're like off shoulder like this, so it looks like this, and it's just a black dress. It's not like an hourglass kind of shape. It's just a regular dress that goes straight down, which is really nice. I really liked it. And this dress was on sale for $5, but when I went to the counter it was $2.50. Like, say what? $2.50? That's hecka good. But yeah, so that was the only thing I got at Forever 21, because I feel like I love Forever 21, but sometimes the one that I go to is like pretty overwhelming and everything is just everywhere. So you just kind of feel like, how am I gonna look through all of this stuff? And so yeah, it was kind of overwhelming, but I'm glad I found this. And then the last place that was having like their big sale for their half year was Plato's Closet. I love Plato's Closet, but they have their like their semi-annual where it's called like bring a bag, and it's like 90% off, which I didn't go to. I went like right before the sale and then right after the sale too, which is totally okay, because like they still have like really good deals and stuff. But yeah, so I got 2 jean shorts. This one is originally by Forever 21. It's really cute. It's kind of high-waisted, and then it has like the distressed detailing on both sides. Yep, it's really nice. I like it a lot, and I really needed new ones anyways. And then this one is the like Target brand, the Massimo, and it's like a darker wash, and it has like these distress lines. Yeah, so I got those 2 jean shorts. I got this Champion plain black sports bra. I keep saying a lot in this video. I just can't think. I don't know why. But yeah, it just looks like this. It's just like your regular sports bra. Yeah, it just fit really nice. And then I got this Adidas tank. Yep, and it's like pink, really cute. Yep, looks like this. And then it has like a hole in the back. I've been trying to get more into fitness, and so to motivate myself, I got some fitness wear, more sports bras, and you know, tanks and running shorts and stuff like that. But yeah. And then the last thing I got was something for Mangy. So yeah, this is just a guy's shirt. It's like this denim like short sleeve button up. It's really nice. I thought it was really cute. Just thought of him. Yeah, I think that's about it. Yeah, so that is all I got from the different sales that were going on. If you guys like hauls, thumbs this video up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.
So you say you wanna get away. We don't need a plane, I could be your escape. Take you to a place